how to edit your pop-up on Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly edit your pop-up on Squarespace. Simply open up your Squarespace website or simply click on create website and simply choose any template from these many websites over here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna basically pick any template from over here. I'm gonna go with the first one. I'm gonna click on start with Kirui, and then after that, let's just give it a few seconds while it creates the website. So when you've opened up the template, simply click on continue, and then after that it's going to tell you basically some of the basic stuff. So now from over here, you guys can simply scroll down, and to simply edit your pop-up, what you guys need to do is that you guys just need to click on edit from the top left, and then after that wait for a few seconds, and now you guys will have the edit option. So now from over here, you guys can just simply double click anywhere on the pop-up, on the text, on the background image, and you guys will be able to simply modify it. So now from over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply double click on this, and I can just simply change it to whatever I want. So that is how you guys can edit your pop-up as well, edit your text, edit your images as well by simply clicking on them, and then from over there clicking on this pencil and changing it up with whatever you want. So guys, that is how easy it is to edit your pop-up in Squarespace website. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.